Hello, my name is John Jarbo and I'm a Technical Marketing Manager at Sencha. The Sencha platform helps you rapidly build data-intensive, cross-platform apps that deliver the right experience on the right screen at the right time. Ext JS provides a modern, object-oriented JavaScript framework with hundreds of beautiful, dynamic, high-performance HTML5 components, robust data and layout managers, easy customization, and accessibility. Ext JS apps are particularly well suited for data visualization tasks, given their easy access to data backends and proximity to the user. Ext JS has long had widgets to help you summarize data and explain to users the story of why it's relevant and important. These include our grid and pivot grid for a tabular presentation, as well as a library of charts to concisely illustrate data graphically. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can easily add dynamic visualizations to your existing apps through our adapter for D3. D3, also known as Data-Driven Documents, is a popular open-source JavaScript library which helps developers bring data to life through web technologies. The D3 adapter is available as part of the Ext JS Premium package, release 6.2 or later. Assume that you already have a simple app for iOS that uses the Ext JS tree list to display sales performance. The tree list shows the hierarchy of sales regions along with the relevant salespeople and quota performance. You'd like to retain the hierarchical structure while providing a more interesting visualization. The application consists of the expected view model and view controller, a tree store and tree model for the hierarchical data, a tab panel for the main view, and a panel which contains the tree list. Adding a D3 visualization without the adapter would require your own data management plus manually interfacing with the XJS infrastructure. You'd also have to write a bunch of code that utilizes the D3 library to build the visualization. By using our D3 adapter, you can avoid much of that work. Our adapter packages many common D3 visualizations as typical XJS components, meaning that they can be incorporated into your XJS apps and leverage capabilities such as our data package and layout manager. Switching to a packed circle visualization is as simple as importing the relevant package and changing the type of item included in the tab. This simple change gives us a functional visualization of the hierarchy with reasonable colors and the ability to collapse and expand nodes. To make it more useful, let's make the circle size represent how much work each person faces to achieve their quota. The node value property controls the size of the circle and defaults to using the number of child nodes present in the hierarchy. We can add a function that returns the amount of sales needed to reach quota and use max to protect against small and negative numbers. Note how the function is applied to each node, and you have access to both the data and the DOM in the relevant context. Now we can easily see that Jan, Kelly, and Ken have a lot of work to do before they reach quota. To improve things further, we could add the actual numbers. We could add that information to the labels, but I'm going to instead add it in a tooltip. This is another way to add dynamic content to the visualization. Now we can easily see the areas that need work, and we can tap on nodes to get details. What if I decide that this just isn't the look that I wanted? Maybe a tree map would better represent the sizes since there's less wasted space in the rectangular layout. With our adapter, switching to a tree map is as simple as changing the requires and X type. The same properties are used for size and tooltip, so there's no need to change those. As with the circle diagram, we can easily see which areas need the most work and get the details. Switching to sunburst or some other hierarchical visualization is just as easy. The D3 adapter can work with non-hierarchical data and visualizations too, including heat maps and interactions or gestures. You can even create completely customized visualizations while leveraging the power of XJS. XJS provides a broad range of components that you can leverage to easily add modern, dynamic, cross-platform data visualizations in your applications. Our adapter for D3 gives you the opportunity to create more unique, customized, dynamic visualizations than ever before. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Be sure to check back soon for more videos about Sencha products, and visit sencha.com to find out how we can further support your development needs.